Picture perfection in the form of an all-brick sanctuary, a bespoke creation featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a home office, and so much more. We have that here in this video, and we are ready to take your breath away. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Welcome to an oasis of tranquility tucked away in the embrace of a quiet cul-de-sac within the Oaks at Sun Creek Estates. Behold a masterpiece residence standing proudly on a sprawling 1-acre canvas where rural charm meets urban convenience. Nestled within the intricate dance of nature and accessibility, this is not just a home. No, ma'am, Pam, it's so much more. It's a symphony of opulence and practicality. Welcome to 18627 Cypress Hill Drive, located in the Oaks at Sun Creek Estates in Rosharon, Texas. Come on in, let me show you around. Begins at the threshold of this architectural marvel, where a grand open concept kitchen and family room beckon you into a world where elegance and functionality entwine. Marvel at the meticulous craftsmanship that adorns every corner, from remarkable fixtures that glisten like stars to top-notch finishes that redefine luxury living. The air is adorned with the echo of high ceilings, setting the stage for a grand entrance that is nothing short of a prelude to extravagance.
so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. Look, we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating diff, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Venture into the realms of indulgence as the primary bedroom unfolds. A haven of serenity boasting 2 spacious walk-in closets and a design so exquisite, it'll stir your senses. Each step within this sanctuary is a revelation, leaving you in awe of the meticulous attention to detail that went into crafting every single inch.
selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know.
Outside, a haven awaits. No back neighbors to intrude upon your peace. Just open space, extending an invitation to create memories and breathe freely.
Crutches, I be holding crutches. Can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude.
As suspenseful melodies echo in the background, don't let this chance slip through your fingers. This isn't just a home, I hope you know. I hope we've been able to convey through this video that this is an experience waiting to be seized. The stage is set, the spotlight is on you. What you gonna do? Call today to secure your place in the cinematic masterpiece. All of my contact information is listed in the description of this video. And for all of your real estate needs and questions, please know that the homegirls are always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.
Just pulled up to the